Welcome to American Underwater Services. For over 25 years, we've shaped the underwater realm with unparalleled expertise. Our journey is defined by a commitment to excellence and a passion for transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. We don't just maintain, we innovate. Custom equipment designed for your specific needs, be it a specialized screen or intricate water construction. Our solutions aren't off the shelf. They're tailored for excellence. In the heart of the mining industry, we stand as architects of efficiency. Our approach isn't just about water, it's extracting resources with meticulous accuracy. Our commitment to efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Our canvases extend beyond mines. American Underwater Services excels in providing top-notch cleaning and maintenance services for HOA ponds. Our experienced team understands the unique needs of HOA communities, where pristine and inviting pond environments are essential for residents to enjoy. Why choose American Underwater Services? With decades of expertise, American Underwater Services is your trusted partner in pond management for HOAs, golf courses, and mines. We offer free estimates and expert guidance on dredging solutions tailored to your needs. Don't compromise on your property's beauty and health. Call us today and invest in a cleaner and more vibrant future for your ponds and water bodies.